Hello from Slovenia again. I already did these two. Sorry, I will have to show it to you like this. These smashes with a hammer on CD this time. And I will use it for some ornaments or random and do coasters or something. I will see, but I will definitely use them because I love them. And I already put my white on the surface, sorry, and my white is titanium white mixed with my pouring medium and a little bit of polyurethane satin varnish to get this nice effects. And I will just try to do it again. So I will do the green puddle first. This is phthalo green and phthalo turquoise blue, and I will add some gold, metallic gold, and permanent green light. Not too much because on the second one I added too much of this one. And the hammer, and let's smash this. This will do for the greens, I think. And now my blue. This is cerulean blue. And this time I will add a little more paint. And pearl white. And manganese blue this time. And I will add some permanent magenta instead of Bordeaux red. And gold, metallic gold. And this time we'll add Prussian blue on top. And let's smash it. And let's see what we get. Just try to fix some areas that I don't like, and maybe I will like that I wouldn't have had this. We'll try to blend it just a little bit. Just want to have a little green here too. Just put my finger in green paint here that I have on my surface. And I think that this will do, because I will ruin it if I will keep on going with this green here. Maybe I will even try to cover this green with white, because I don't know if I like this at all. And I have to fix this part a little bit because it's weird. And now I think that I'm quite happy. Maybe this part. I missed something in here, I don't know why. And I think that now I'm happy, just this and this. And I will take you for a close-up. I will torch just a little bit. And then I will show you close-up. Maybe I miss a little green here, but I can have it all, obviously. And I have just a little of CD popping through here. I don't want that, so. And now it's okay. Let me show you the result. these details on the close-up are just beautiful. I have to get some big round wooden things to do some more of this on a bigger canvas, or not canvas, because it's hard to do a smash on the canvas because it creates vibrations and I find it difficult to do so. I have to find some other thing to smash with my hammer on. So this is it for today, and tell me what you think, what I should use for a bigger one. Subscribe if you didn't yet, leave a comment. Feel free to visit my Patreon and PayPal link, and see you on the next one. Bye!